Well, how on the children to do this? Shit, the Queen Quet and things like that. And look what we did. Yeah, because Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week on week. We launch them right here at Mosquito Beach. Okay, so this year, yeah, we right back at the historic Mosquito Beach and things like that in Chucktown County. So, on the children have a join week. The last Saturday in July. That when we always launch with Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And this year, yeah, we right back right here. So, honey children, make sure you got your pass and thing. Bring out the family. Bring positive, uplifting spirit. Or it going to be a time. This year, yeah, we got the DJ Kwame Shop for All Move Productions. We got Brother Hello, Iga did it. Several other people, RBM. They going to be drumming and all that. So, honey children, you ain't going to miss this tall. This is all about we family, y'all. So make sure you bring out the family to Gullah Geechee Family Day, the last Saturday in July, right here, Mosquito Beach. We looking forward to 100 Children Join Week. Yes, a Gullah Geechee family party.